All right, so after you file a lawsuit, there's typically a few different phases that you go through in litigation. The first phase is discovery phase. You start with written discovery. Both sides are going to ask questions of the other side, request documents of the other side, and once that portion is finished, typically then you go into depositions. If you file a lawsuit, the opposing counsel is going to want to talk to you, ask you questions about what happened, your injuries and things like that. And likewise, we'll talk to the other driver, or we'll talk to the person who's responsible for the collision and find out what their story is. And we do that so that we aren't surprised if we have to go to trial. After the discovery phase, you typically go to mediation. And what mediation is you will be in one room, the other side will be in a different room, and there'll be a mediator that goes back and forth that tries to come to a number that everybody can agree to get the case resolved. If we can't get that case resolved at mediation, then it's typically time to get ready for trial. Now, that doesn't mean that your case is going to go to trial, but we do have to take steps so that we're ready when that time comes. So between mediation and after that, we'll start preparing for trial. We'll have to go to the court and get a trial date. In the interim, of course, we'll be trying to negotiate with the other side to see if we can get it done. But if we can't, at some point we will have to pick a jury and try the case.